unfortunate incident which happened yesterday. So as soon as the news, this nation come to know that this incident happened, immediately the officers from the district, the BDO, and also medical team have tried to reach this area. And the team of SDRF and the NDRF are stationed in the district also. They have reached, but when they reach here, they found that 18 bodies already been dead, and then 8 people have been injured. And all those 18 bodies have been shifted to Clearet for the necessary procedure, and the 8 injured, 6 have been shifted to Negrim, and 1 in Hosta and 1 in UI. So these are the sequence of events yesterday, and more importantly, the ADC station here, the BDO, the medical team, and today morning 2 more team of NDRF have reached here, and with the officers and the doctor from NDRF, and also to see that whether anybody could be rescued or any more people are there inside the mine. So, but till now, they start operation in the morning, and around 1:30, one more body, when we are here, you have seen that one more body have been retrieved in this thing, which already died, and the same procedure as done yesterday will be followed. So, but from the district administration, also they have arrested 2 persons, suspect who for this incident. 2 persons have been arrested, and investigation is going on, and more arrests, if necessary, will be done. And most importantly, district administration, they have tried to seize all those mines and thing, and necessary thing is to be done, so that this type of unfortunate incident should not happen in the future. So regarding the thing also, for this incident, I'm very thankful to Honorable Prime Minister that he has announced ex gratia payment, and also to Honorable Chief Minister who have deputed us to come here immediately and report to him and see that to leave no stone unturned to see that whatever necessary thing to be done need to be done, so that this case could be closed as early as possible, with the sense that no more body is there in the mine, or if anybody need to be rescued, it could be rescued safely. So I'm very thankful to NDRF, and I hope that with their continuous working of NDRF, SDRF, the team of police point, the magistrate, and district administration, we will able to see that this operation will finish as soon as possible. Thank you.